Hi Shipox family, this video is going to be about Orders tab. In order for you to come to the Orders tab here, all you need to do is click on the top left corner here with the three lines and go to the order here. Once you are in the order dashboard, you will be able to track all of your orders here and know the information related to one, such as the customer, the courier company and the driver it is assigned to, the addresses, the time slots, and all of the other details which are required as a courier company's admin. If you want to know further about an order, all you need to do is click on the order number, and this tab here will explain you each and everything about this order, such as the sender information, the recipient information, the details of an item which are set while placing an order, and also the payment information. In order for you to get an area bill for this order, you can simply click here and it will generate an area bill right away. As you can see on the screen here, this is how you can get your area bill generated in just a matter of a few seconds. Right after that, if you want to modify your order, you can simply click on Edit Order. This will completely allow you to change anything in your order, but just make sure the order is not picked up. This is the minimum requirement, because if the order is picked up, you won't be able to edit much information here. Also, from the order dashboard, you can select multiple orders and batch update them, such as changing their statuses, driver assign, and once you hit OK, it will assign all of these 3 orders to that specific driver. So I guess that is it for the Orders tab. If you need any other information about this, feel free to come to our online guide. Also, you can reach out to us from the chat support. Thank you.